Ano ai ke aloha ia kākou a pau. Were it not for Nāmakahelu Kapahikaua o Kamehameha, the last chantress of Moanalua, the mo'olelo of Moanalua may have been lost. Today, Moanalua Gardens Foundation honors her legacy through its annual Nāmakahelu Oli Award, recognizing Oli practitioners who have kept this ancient art of storytelling alive. I'm honored to introduce this year's award recipients, Hula and Master Chanters, Kekuhi, Keali'ikanakaʻoleohaililani, and Taupōuri, Tangarō.
There's never been a time where I did not hear chant. I grew up in a world where it was part of the community, but it was through Edith Kanakaʻole, primarily her daughter Pua Kanakaʻole, who not just taught me how to appreciate chant, but got into the science of it, how to learn it, why to learn it, how to deliver it, how to use your voice, how to connect. So the fact that chanting is core, the world is ready to support hula, but chanting is the core of hula. No chanting, no hula.
In Hawaii Lifeways, Oli is the communication of the environment. And so every sound and every movement, we record that in our bodies as communication from the earth around us. And our job as Oli people then is to bring that into our body and recreate that sound.
There's culture, there's language, there's knowledge system tucked into the chants. And then Oli doesn't live on the page. It has to come through the body, as Kekuhi is saying. And so now it's our opportunity to mau to put all our effort and energies into sustaining and growing so that no indigenous Hawaiian child or those children that live in Hawaii, every child should have this. This should be a language of the home, because it's a language that doesn't just speak to the mind, it's a language that speaks to the spirit. I think another significant contribution to the well-being of Oli is the need to innovate. Oli should not only take us back to the past, Oli should take us back to the past for a little bit so we can get a stronger glimpse of how to live in the future. So how do we reinterpret those chants to make sense to us today in 2022? Find a good teacher and step into it. And if you feel like this is not for you, you're from another part of the world, well, we encourage you to go investigate your Oli traditions of that part of the world. It's the same human vibration. It's just our dialect of how we vibrate to this world that we live in.